In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Kabul mayor meets with Dmitry Jerinov, the ambassador of Russian Federation in Afghanistan, and his accompanying delegation. The Minister of Refugees hold a meeting to review draft asylum law chaired by the Deputy Minister for Professional Affairs with representatives from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and other relevant institutions. And Iran says it has targeted the US Azraq airbase in Jordan. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Wednesday, the 29th of Muharram al-Haram, 1448, the 24th of Saratan, 1405, and the 15th of July, 2026. The news details. Maulvi Abdul Rashid, the mayor of Kabul, has met with Dmitry Jerinov, the ambassador of Russian Federation in Afghanistan, and his accompanying delegation. Based on the statement issued by Kabul municipality, the two sides discuss expanding friendly relations between Kabul municipality and municipalities across Russian Federation, as well as cooperation on infrastructure projects, air bridge initiatives, and the exchange of successful experience in urban management. The mayor of Kabul called for sustained Russian cooperation in implementing public infrastructure and development projects, as well as strengthening collaboration in the field of municipal governance. For his part, Ambassador Dmitry Jerinov reaffirmed Russia's commitment to continuing its cooperation with Kabul municipality. A meeting to review the draft asylum law was held under the chairmanship of Maulvi Abdurrahman Rashid, the Deputy Minister for Professional Affairs of the Ministry of Refugee and Repatriation. The meeting was attended by representatives of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Interior, Justice and Judiciary, and the General Directorate of the Intelligence. Speaking at the session, Maulvi Rashid stated that the asylum law should be developed in accordance with Islamic principles and Sharia while ensuring the right to asylum. The news continuation. Maulvi Abdul Haq Sadiq, the Deputy Minister for Quality Assurance in the Ministry of Education, said during a ceremony honoring the top performers of the 1405 National University Entrance Examination Concours that Afghanistan now enjoys its most favorable environment for education progress in more than 4 decades. He stated that the Islamic Emirate has established nationwide security, creating suitable conditions for living, education, and personal development. Maulvi Sadiq encouraged young people to make full use of opportunities available and to continue striving for knowledge and academic achievement. And ultimately, Iran has announced that during the 8th phase of its operation code-named Sa'iqa, targeted sections of the US Azraq airbase in Jordan using explosive drones. According to Iranian media reports, the 4th phase of Operation Nasr 2 also targeted the principal US logistical and support center in Mena Abdullah area of Kuwait. Iran further declared that the Strait of Hormuz will remain closed until what it described as hostile action by the United States come to an end. The news conclusion. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.